until 4 a.m. Wednesday. This watch includes the following counties in Minnesota: McLeod and Meeker. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. This is Wayne County, Stearns, Minnesota. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Oh my God.
The National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Stearns County, northern Candy, Ohio County, until 11:30 p.m. At 10:31 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 11 miles west of Boonton, or 26 miles northwest of Wilmer, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Severe weather has been confirmed by emergency management, reported large branches down.
Oh.
The Morris Airport measured 60 miles per hour winds. The following
That's not
events are
good.
expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Bruton around 10:45 p.m. Belgrade around 10:50 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:30 p.m. for the following counties in Minnesota: Candy, Ohio, and Stearns. This is Weather Radio Station. The National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Meeker County, southeastern Stearns County, until midnight. At 11:04 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near New London, or 14 miles northeast of Wilmer, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following effects are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Painesville around 11:15 p.m. Other locations in the path of a severe thunderstorm include Watkins and Kimball. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until midnight Wednesday for the following counties in Minnesota: Meeker and Stearns. A severe thunderstorm. The National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Meeker County, southwestern Stearns County, northeastern Candy, Ohio County, until 11:45 p.m. At 11:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles south of Hinsville, or 18 miles northeast of Wilmer, moving east at 55 miles per hour. This is a destructive.
It's destructive.
Expected hazards include 80 miles per hour wind gusts. Severe weather has been confirmed by law enforcement. The following effects are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged.
Jack, this is a
Other
destructive
locations in
storm.
the path of this severe thunderstorm include Kimball.
Yup.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.
God, it's destructive.
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:45 p.m. for the following counties in Minnesota: Canby, Ohio, Meeker, and Stearns. A severe thunderstorm. Minnesota, Carver, Dakota, Hennepin, Ramsey, Bryce, Scott, and Wright. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Oh my God.
Severe thunderstorm watch number 5. The National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Meeker County until 12:30 a.m. At 11:27 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Atwater, or 14 miles east of Wilmer, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following effects are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roof, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Litchfield around 11:45 p.m. Other locations in the path of this severe thunderstorm include Dassel. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:30 a.m. Wednesday for the following county: Meeker, Minnesota. The National Weather Service in the Twin Stearns County until 12:30 a.m. At 11:39 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Watkins, or 22 miles southwest of St. Cloud, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Severe weather has been confirmed by law enforcement. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Annandale around 11:55 p.m. Other locations in the path of this severe thunderstorm include Maple Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:30 a.m. Wednesday for the following counties in Minnesota: Stearns and Wright. This is weather radio station KEC Central Daylight Time. The National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Wright County, southeastern Stearns County until 12:30 a.m. At 11:39 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Watkins, or 22 miles southwest of St. Cloud, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Severe weather has been confirmed by law enforcement. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near and a male around 11:55 p.m. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Maple Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:30 a.m. Wednesday for the following counties in Minnesota, Stearns and Wright.
If you're hiring, it can feel like trying to...
Yeah, I knew it.
Until 1 a.m. At 12:15 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Coquito, or 16 miles southwest of Buffalo, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Howard Lake around 12:20 a.m. Montrose around 12:25 a.m. Watertown around 12:35 a.m. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Mayor, St. Bonifacius, Laconia, and Victoria. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1 a.m. for the following counties in Minnesota, Carver, Hennepin, and Wright. This is where the
Unrecognized watch, seriously. What's this? Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapid rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Severe thunderstorm watch number